We are going to show you the basic operation of the BERNINA 830 by making this useful tote bag. Let's start sewing. Customize your BERNINA 830 with your own personal settings, giving you the freedom to sew like you want to sew. For example, in Setup, you can program the Auto Secure function. Touch the Setup icon, then the Sewing Settings icon. Go to the next page. The external Auto Secure button on the head frame can be configured to your personal preference. Select from two securing stitch sequences, either stitching in place or short running stitches. Each sequence can sew from 3 to 6 stitches, whatever best suits your sewing application for your project. In addition, secure and cut threads anywhere you want on the spot. Program the Auto Thread Cutter to cut both upper and lower threads after securing, and lift the presser foot in one operation simply by pressing the external Auto Thread Cutter button. What a convenience! Approve your settings and exit the screen. The straight stitch is always selected or active when you turn on your 830. Each stitch has a default stitch length setting that is set in the BERNINA sewing machine factory for normal sewing applications. To attach the ribbon, increase the stitch length to 3.0 by turning the stitch length multifunctional knob. If you want to save this setting so you can access it when needed for special sewing applications, touch the stitch altering area and a special screen appears. Touch the Personal Program icon and select from 4 personal program folders in which to save your personalized settings. Each folder can be named and designated for your own favorite stitches for specific projects or techniques. Touch the Personal Program folder of your choice. You might want to name your folder before saving the stitch. To do that, touch the gray field and a keyboard appears. Type in the name Tote Bag, for example, then approve with the green check. Now touch the blinking stitch to save it and automatically exit the screen. When the sewing computer is turned off, the settings are saved permanently until you delete them. The external function buttons are placed exactly where you need them, right on the head frame above the needle for quick access. Automatically raise the presser foot with the touch of a button. Place the fabric and ribbon under the presser foot so that the edge of the ribbon is aligned with the inner right toe of the presser foot, and press the auto lift again to lower the foot. To edge stitch this ribbon, the needle will need to be moved over. Press the right arrow button until you have the needle in the desired position. Begin sewing forward. To secure at the beginning of the seam, press the external Quick Reverse button or use the built-in securing stitches on your 830 and sew backward. Then release the button and continue sewing forward. We've already programmed the Auto Secure function in Setup, so right before we reach the end of the seam, press the external Auto Secure button and the 6 short running stitches are sewn. Both the top and bottom threads are cut, and the foot is raised automatically.